Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use the panorama mode on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So if you want to make a long camera shot or like a 360 photo, I'm going to show you how to do it. And first off, we are going to click on the bottom left icon to pick the shooting mode. And then we're going to select Panorama. And then in Panorama, what we can do is just put the device upright so it's standing as it's on a stable surface. And after that, we can just hit the record button. So I'm going to put it up, set it up where I want to start the shot, and then hit the picture icon. And it's going to start doing these little movements right here. And basically once it's done, it's going to create this nice panorama photo. So once the photo is made, this is what it's going to look like. So you can see that it is capturing a really wide angle because it took 9 photos and then arranged them in a single photo, which makes it look pretty wide. And this is perfect for capturing panorama shots. So something like a sunset or like a whole city in Austin, things like that. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you. And make sure to like and subscribe.